In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your email settings in Wix. Whether you're updating an address or adding a new one, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred browser. We're using Chrome for this example, and log into your Wix account. If you haven't logged in before, or if it's been a while, make sure you have your login details ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the navigation menu. Look for the settings option. It's usually in the left-hand column. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. On the settings page, you'll see a variety of options. What you're interested in is the email and office section, so go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the page where you can manage your email settings, the crucial hub for handling your communications. With the email and office page open, you'll find a list of the email addresses linked to your Wix account. Scroll through and select the email address you want to change or manage. It might be a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct address, especially if you have multiple emails connected. Once you've made your selection, you'll be guided through prompts that will each require a bit of your attention. These prompts are designed to help you efficiently update the current email address or add a new one. The interface is fairly intuitive, so follow these instructions as they appear on your screen. Ensure you're clear on each step before proceeding, as accuracy here is key to maintaining seamless communication. After you've updated or added your email address, Wix will prompt you for one more crucial step: verification. This step ensures your changes are authenticated and secure. Open your email provider and check for messages from Wix. You should see a message asking you to verify the recent changes. Follow any links or instructions in that email to complete the verification process. This final step is imperative, as it confirms your updates with the email provider and secures your account appropriately. And there you have it. You've successfully managed your email settings within your Wix account. These changes should now reflect across your business communications, ensuring everything is up to date. Always remember, keeping your email information current is a fundamental aspect of maintaining professional correspondence. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it was helpful and easy to understand. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy updating!